Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys and you need to remove or replace oil pressure sensors. Stay with us, we'll explain on where it's located, how to remove it, replace it, and one common mistake people make that can actually cause damage to the engine computer and the electrical system. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, for any of you guys that need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So that's the 2.4 GDI engine that we'll be demonstrating on, but many Hyundai engines will use that location and design of oil pressure sensor, also known as oil pressure switch. This is actually a switch on that engine. The sensor usually have multiple wires so it can detect the actual amount of oil pressure. The switch, it's usually on and off, it's either on or off. So if you don't have oil pressure, it will be actually triggering the oil light. Now, before we start, many of you have been asking us in the comment section below to share information about the scanner diagnostics that we use. This is the one, guys. Okay, it works on any car you can think of. It's amazing too. I will put the link in the description of the video below. Check it out so you can see the current price and features, guys. But it's a system that can pay itself off practically in one-time use. Now, let me just put that wire so we don't confuse things here a little bit. Okay, we're going to let me see. Plug it in, which way exactly it goes. Okay, if it's this way. Oh, yep, right there, perfect. Now that's the fuel oil pressure sensor. But in order to get to the oil pressure sensor, you will need to remove the intake manifold. For any of you that need help with that, we have a special video about intake manifold removal on Hyundai, on Hyundai Sonata, so please check it out. But when removing the intake manifold and working on the oil pressure sensor, we have two positive wires. One is from the starter to the battery, one is from the alternator to the battery. If you touch those with tools, you will short things out. You can, guys, burn the engine computer, electronics modules, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. In addition, on these new cars, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it wrong, again, you can cause damage. So I will put a link to a video in the description below that explains the proper way to disconnect and reconnect car battery. Once you do that, if you come right here, you can see behind these wires, right there on the engine board, that's your oil pressure sensor, this one right there. It's only one wire. So how do you guys remove it? Right here, you press down, and you disconnect it. Let me show you the connector. This is the connector right here. You press and disconnect it. You need to get a 24mm deep socket, guys, and just get it loose. Be prepared to leak some engine oil. Why? Because there will be oil in the system, so usually you will leak oil. Ours, we took it apart earlier, but we decided to make a video to show you where it's located, so we already leaked everything out a few days ago. But that's the sensor, that's the oil pressure switch practically, guys. So we'll have a video how to test one if you need help with that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.